In London, I've witnessed an explosion of new regional authentic Chinese restaurants replacing what once was a Cantonese stronghold. But the links to Hong Kong in the food business are deeply entrenched. So I've traveled here to find out firsthand about how, when it comes to food, the two cities are intrinsically linked. To start my journey, I'm on a train out to Tai Po in the far north of Hong Kong to meet the president of Tai Po's 183 villages, and also the president of London's Chinatown.
Hey Peter, good to see you again. Good to see you again. So it's a full season, just like I saw in London.
Peter Lam has restaurants in London and Hong Kong and has a deep understanding of the links between the two. I started by asking him the role Hong Kong plays in bringing Chinese mainland restaurants into London. He points to bubble tea as an example.
I was the first one to do the bubble tea, 1998. Yeah. At the beginning, during the 90s or early 2000s, it's from Taiwan. But after the 2000s, there's a lot of mainland brand building up in China, and then they moved to Hong Kong, moved to everywhere.
Peter's family business has been specializing in Cantonese cuisine throughout its 40-year history. He tells me the story of opening a high-end authentic Cantonese restaurant at the Royal China Club in London, only to receive bad reviews from English food critics for not serving Anglified dishes like salt and pepper chicken and chow mein. But things are changing now.
For Cantonese restaurant, maybe in the future we're going back to just doing especially Cantonese style. At the moment, we're mixing other cuisine, right? And I think in the future, we'll concentrate on doing Cantonese food. We want to be a professional in Cantonese food.
After the interview, Peter asks the waiter to bring a mix of authentic Cantonese dishes and those that have been Anglified, like lemon chicken, which he still serves to an older community, many of whom have spent much of their lives in the UK. He even imports the dog from London, as he says those who live in the UK prefer it. I'm fascinated by the concept of authentic Cantonese food competing directly with restaurants serving other regional dishes, and want to get a better understanding of what is authentic Cantonese food. For that, I head over to the Michelin-starred Man Ho restaurant at JW Marriott Hotel in Admiralty, where Chef Jason Tang has been making waves with his Cantonese menu.
Hello. Hi, I'm Minjay. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Yeah.
Jason starts with a tour of the kitchen, where he explains Cantonese food is made up of 3 elements: dim sum, barbecue meats, and wok-fried dishes. After our tour, I sit down with him to try and dig a little deeper. I ask him how he defines Cantonese food.
因為大概60至70年代咧，好多香港嘅移民係去到世界各地，都會喺 Chinatown 嗰度咧開餐廳嘅。咁就我哋會將譬如香港嘅典型嘅菜式啦，譬如sweet and sour pork 啦，中式牛柳啦 ，and then deep fried chicken 啦，呢一類型嘅菜式帶到去世界各地啦。咁當地嘅廚師就認為呢一類型嘅菜式咧，就係個個都會中意嘅。咁佢哋就會不停咁樣係咁重複咁樣做，但係冇去加入一啲新嘅元素或者一啲新嘅諗法。當而家網絡嘅世界開始豐富咗，大家可以喺 Internet 上面咧就睇到原來中國嘅食物 not just Cantonese foods， 咁但係反而譬如嚟返香港呢個地方啦，我哋作為一個廣東菜嘅廚師，其實香港嘅廣東菜比較特別嘅地方就係我哋由頭到尾都係海納百川嘅，會將嚟自世界各地唔同嘅飲食文化咧融匯咗喺廣東菜上邊。
Hong Kong not only sits as a place where business can try different concepts before moving them to the West, but also a place that has developed its own cuisine that fuses traditional Cantonese ingredients and cooking styles with Western influences. Before I head back to London, I wanted to get a better grasp of what exactly Hong Kong cuisine was. For that, Jing had recommended a local food critic, Susan Jung. We meet in a back street of Wong Chai.
Hi, Susan. I'm Minjay. Nice to meet you. That's my colleague, DJ. Yeah.
I just think Chinese people are really resilient and they adapt to whatever environment they are in. So you have American Chinese food, you have British Chinese food, you have, the Chinese restaurants in France have Chinese, Vietnamese, and Thai all on one menu. So they adapt to whatever environment they are in, and they do it because they want to make money.
Susan stops at one Cantonese Chaan Teng and suggests we go in to try the milk tea, pineapple buns, and chicken pie.
There have always been regional Chinese restaurants in Hong Kong, mostly Sichuan, Quchao, Shanghai, but that was just about it, and they were always tailored for Hong Kong people's tastes, so less spicy, less oily. And then fairly recently, there was an explosion of really, really good, very authentic, very traditional regional Chinese restaurants. And it's been very exciting because you don't get the watered down flavors.
I'm finally starting to understand the fusion of food served in the UK as Chinese and its close ties to Hong Kong. Jing has chosen several top Chinese restaurants in London that I need to try before I travel back to Hangzhou to make my comparison. It's time to go to the airport and get on with the challenge.